In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot to edit Word document. So first, of course, open up your document in Microsoft Word and also make sure you're signed in with a Microsoft 365 account that has Copilot enabled. Now, if your account has Copilot in it, you should be able to access it easily on the same page of Microsoft Word. And if you have it, it should show in your sidebar and you can easily use it and ask it for help to reconstruct your sentence, rephrase your words, or even fix your grammar, whatever you need on your word. You can have Copilot assist you with that. So, say for example, in our example, we can ask Copilot to rephrase this word, and instantly Copilot will do its best to help you reconstruct your sentence or phrase. Just take note that AI may make mistakes, so just take those suggestions that fits your preference. You can still access it by going to a new tab and in your URL simply type in copilot.microsoft.com, and here you can type commands like summarize this document, fix grammar and spelling, or rewrite this paragraph in a professional tone. So we can try it out with our text. And here we can say rewrite this paragraph or this phrase, then press enter. Copilot will then process your request and suggest edits. You can take ideas from its suggestions, and you can even ask Copilot to generate a new content, format text, or create tables, making it a powerful assistant for writing and editing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!